turned into a real dreamland. I need to share this on Facebook immediately. But my fairy isn't fond of technology. She loves old-fashioned paper books. Stop sitting in front of a computer. The fairy puts a spell on my computer mouse. Take apart a broken computer mouse. Remove the inside details. Cut out all the protruding plastic details with a heated knife. Cut an eyeshadow palette so that it fits inside the mouse. Hot glue. Take out the scroll wheel. Cut it in half using a heated knife and hot glue it in the hole. Cut off a USB cable and hot glue it to the mouse. Attach an eyeshadow applicator to the other end of the cable. Wow! This is what we call new beauty technologies. There is eyeshadow in the mouse and an applicator instead of a USB plug. The fairy has her own magic book. I don't have this edition in my library. I wonder what she hides in it. There must be some beauty secrets or a whole makeup set. Take an old book and glue end papers together. Take a strip of thick cardboard and make a frame border along the back side of the cover. Paint the frame light. Run a toothbrush along it while the paint is still wet. It will imitate pages. Hot glue it to the cover. Attach the frame ends to the spine and hot glue a separate strip of cardboard to cover the spine. You've got a box. Paint it gold inside. Decorate the lid using gold pattern tape. Hot glue a makeup set to the bottom of the box and attach a mirror to the lid. The fairy suggests searching for the same book in the pile, but she has the one and only copy. All of my books are made out of paper and not out of glitter and shimmer. At last, the fairy's heart melts. She gives this unique beauty book edition to me. The fairy's gotten hooked on putting spells on everything around. For example, this screwdriver will make a great eye pencil. Cover an eye pencil with soft clay. Shape a ribbed screwdriver handle. Take out the pencil and sharpen its blunt end so that it looks like the tip of a screwdriver blade. Paint the pencil silver. Put it into the handle. I want to do my makeup with a screwdriver too. But not with a regular tool. I want a magical one. The fairy is such a creative inventor. Belle has smudged her makeup a bit. She needs to fix it right now. The fairy has a tried and tested method. It's toilet paper. I don't think it will work. But the fairy insists. This toilet paper is actually made out of blotting paper. Mark the size of a blotting sheet on an empty paper towel roll. Snip off the excess. Cut a thin strip of double-sided tape and attach a few blotting sheets one by one. Tape the paper to the cardboard roll and wrap it around. Belle blots her face. Now everything is all right. What is glittering on the fairy's finger? It's a ring of sweet dreams and of soft lips, because there is lip balm hidden in the ring. Melt some coconut oil and the remains of an old lipstick in a microwave. Add a little edible glitter. Stir. Pour the mixture into a round glitter container. Let the lip balm harden for about an hour and attach the container to a blank ring. Decorate the cap using clear nail polish with glitter. Belle really likes this unusual ring. She just needs one like this in her beauty collection. The Dream Fairy is very generous. She gives the ring to Belle and returns her back into her bed. Belle wakes up. It's been such a magical dream. Or maybe it hasn't. The ring is still on my finger. Did you like our magical makeup? Then write in your comments what impressed you the most. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new magical ideas on the Troom Troom channel.